Hey, what's up? Let's look at Amazon. I'm going to give you guys some Cyber Monday deals and just show you some odds and ends, not necessarily strictly flight sim stuff, but if it's in there, I'll show it to you. But there's a lot of odds and ends that a lot of people aren't thinking about, like cables and USB adapters and, just weird things that might be a pretty good deal to get them on Cyber Monday. So let's take a quick look and see what we can find. Also, don't go too far. I have a Cyber Monday deal for you as well. It's actually the same as my Black Friday deal. If you guys haven't seen it already, I'll tell you about that here coming up. All right, the name of the game is cables. So if you're trying to build a flight sim, you're going to want to have cables, right angle adapters for HDMI. You're going to need HDMI cables. You're going to need power cords. You're going to need stuff like this, like the USB-Cs, USB-A. You're just going to need all kinds of stuff. A really big one is going to be a good powered USB hub, if you can find that. I don't know if that's what this is. It just happens to be here. Just make sure you come in here if you're like, hey, I need some cables. Don't underestimate the length of the cables that you need. So if you need HDMI cables and you know they're going to go through some split loom tubing, and you know that it probably needs to go maybe 3 feet, you probably want to get a 6-foot cable, because if you're going to run it down, over and around, and through the mountains, over the river, grandmother's house we go, then you're going to want to have a few extra feet so that the cable actually gets where it's going. Okay, so just make sure you're doing that. I'll leave some links for you as well. All of these are pretty good deals here. Make sure that you get USB cables. I like to get the ones that are flexible and have that nylon braided kind of cable there. Anything that's flexible is just going to be so much simpler to work with, so that you can wrap it up, you can run it, you can tie it off, you can do whatever you need to do with it. So make sure you're getting that. HDMI, wait, I already looked at that. Split loom tubing. So I'll show you which one I like to use. This is pretty good. I've used this before. So you could get this if you wanted. There's one that's like this. I think it's kind of a little bit nicer to look at. I got this one here, and I've gotten that before in the past. That one is not necessarily on sale, but it's a good split loom cable. So you got, actually it does say Cyber Monday deal. It's not much off, like 50, looks like $1.50 off. Not a huge deal, but it is what it is. So grab as much of that as you need. I probably got it in 15 or 20 feet and just cut off what I need, and it worked just fine. Let's look for right angle HDMI. You're probably wondering, Matt, why would I need that? But these little right angle adapters, just like this, are actually pretty helpful to have on hand in the event that you need them. So just know that, it's not off a lot. I mean, we're talking $4 instead of $5, but you might need a pack of these. So throw those on your thing. Let's look at powered USB hub. Let's see what pops up here. Just make sure that you're getting enough USB ports. And you're going to want to have the fast ones. I think they're 3.1, so USB 3.1, okay? This one says 3.0. That's probably fine. But the biggest thing is make sure that you can plug it in, okay? Make sure that it's powered, so that way it's distributing that power to all of your USB devices, and you're not draining the resources, okay? I would get one like a 10, maybe grab yourself two of the 10 port USB hubs, okay? So those are going to be good for you. So this seems to be a pretty interesting little device that I would actually love to try out. Okay, it doesn't really look like they have any major sales on that, but it looks like you can get it for $175 here, or we can hit the Amazon store. That's $179. It's not a huge difference, but it looks like it gets pretty good reviews. 4.7 out of 75. So grab that if you guys have a chance. Of course, let's look at flight sim deals. Actually, let's just do flight sim. Alright, still a lot of the Logitech stuff for Cyber Monday is popping up. The FIPS are still on sale for $129. Those are pretty pricey. If you can get a deal on the Honeycomb Yoke, that's a pretty good deal. Just go check that out when you guys get a chance. Something you can put underneath the back side of your desk like this. Those are going to be helpful. Again, that's a Cyber Monday deal. You can save a little bit of money, probably not a ton. I grabbed a couple of these the other day, and they're all right. But there's a lot of ideas here. If you get something and you don't like it, you can always return it. Okay? So hopefully you guys are enjoying this. What I was going to tell you guys earlier was that we have the Flight Sim Academy and the Quick Build Blueprint, and we also have Flight Sim Connect, which is where you guys, it's kind of a community where you guys can join up and be a part of that. And what I'm going to do, normally we charge $47 for Flight Sim Academy, and we charge $7 for the Quick Build Blueprint, which is just kind of a beginner's guide of how to get into the flight sim building, and just kind of building your first flight sim, what to expect. We, of course, have the Flight Sim Guide. If you go to, EliteSimBuild.com, you can get the PDF guide. So if you go to EliteSimBuild.com, this page here, you can come in here, get some stuff, and I've got some guides, little PDF guides on how to build a Cessna 172. If you go to, I believe it's FlightSimGuides.com. Let's see if that's where I put it. I've got so much stuff all over the place. Quick Build Blueprints, normally $7, and then the actual the full Flight Sim Academy, which has a lot more information and a lot more precisely guided videos to help you guys get what you want. So for up until Cyber Monday, the evening of Monday, Cyber Monday, whatever that is, I think it's tomorrow. It's whatever tomorrow is. So November 31st. Does November have 31 days? Or it's either November 31st or December 1st, whichever one. I am going to take this down because I'm going to give you guys all of this for free. It's going to be the best thing that I've ever done to date as far as giving away all my stuff. But what I'd like to do is entice you guys to join me in the Flight Sim Connect community, okay? That is a membership. So when you guys join Flight Sim Connect in the membership, then you're going to get all of this stuff for free. All the PDF guides, all the additional quick build guides that I've put together. You're going to get the Quick Build Blueprint, and you're going to get the Flight Sim Academy. So I'd love to have you guys join us. I'm also going to give you guys all of this stuff on a trial basis. You don't even have to pay for it up front, which is absolutely crazy nuts, which is why I'm taking this down as soon as I can, because I shouldn't be giving any of this stuff away. It's $15 a month, but you're going to get a 14-day free trial. Okay. So play around with this. We're going to do some Zoom calls. We're going to do more flight sim guides, more quick build guides. You guys can ask me questions. I make videos, answering your specific questions, and, that stuff it's all there for you. So join us in the community, get all this stuff, and go to Amazon and get all the odds and ends, the cables, the USB runners, all the stuff that you're going to need for your flight sim, okay? Hopefully you've enjoyed this. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, see ya. Hey, if you haven't already done so, head over to EliteSimBuild.com, grab a copy of our Home Flight Simulator Resource Guide. Do that thing where you click the button, give us your email address, and we will send you a copy of our simulator guides where you can get the resource list, the avionics reviews, a panel blueprint, so that way you guys can send that off to your panel guy, get all the parts and pieces that you need. You'll know exactly what software to pick up so you can get your Cessna 172 flight simulator built today.